thought I'd come on and quickly share this really simple tip with you, because I know that one of the hardest things about creating content for social media is the creating content bit. Not only have you got to think about, is this providing education to my audience? Is it entertaining? Are they going to be engaging? What's my call to action? Where's this leading to? Where am I creating it? What time am I posting? All these kind of things that you will take into consideration, and often you just think it's easier not to post than to actually post. I want you to be thinking about posting at least once a day. At least once a day. You can do that. Now, imagine if I told you that you could create 2 posts a day. That's 100% more than creating 1 post a day. And you wouldn't have to create any additional content. So you create your 1 post, which is new, and you've created that wherever you create content, whether it be in Canva, or whether it's a reel, or whether it's an IGTV, or whether it's a Facebook post. You create that content. But the second piece of content you're going to put out there is going to be a piece of content that you've shared before, from ages ago, a piece of content that you think might have warranted more attention than it got the first time round. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. You can post old videos, or even you can look back at your old content and be inspired, but that would mean creating another piece of new content. You can even use other people's content on your Instagram feed or on your Facebook post, as long as you give them credit for their work. So that's one piece of new content that you're creating, and another piece that you're repurposing from old posts that you've done maybe a year ago, maybe even 4 years ago. Who knows? You might find something you think, oh my God, that was amazing. Why I should be sharing that again. And the reason I'm telling you this is because when you look at your insights or your analytics, on a normal post, you might be lucky if 10% of people see your post. But great, that's 10%. Put those to one side. What about the other 90%? So if you're sharing a piece of old content, it might be a new 10% that see this piece of content, and the 10% who have already seen it might not even see it the second time. So it doesn't matter if you're putting content out there that's already been used. Chances are that the same people won't see it again. And think about this. And actually, this I heard it this morning, and I thought, oh, that's a really good reminder for people. If you're driving down the motorway and you're seeing signs, marketing signs for businesses on the billboards, McDonald's, and then you're driving along a bit more, a McDonald's sign, you don't think, I've already just seen that, why am I seeing it again? You understand that it's marketing and that they're trying to get your attention. It's exactly the same on your social media. Anyway, that's today's top tip. See you soon.